In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mortal Kombat 2-player on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2-player mode on Mortal Kombat 11. If you are on Xbox, all you have to do is open up the game, select play, choose fight, and browse through the online game modes. As you can see, when you select fight, you will be able to choose online, and in the private option, you can choose versus. When you select versus under the private category, you will get the option to immediately invite your friends. As long as you have them added by using their gamer tag, you will be able to invite them directly to a lobby where you can play 1v1. Both of you will be able to pick your character, pick the stage, and start fighting right away. Alternatively, if for some reason when you select versus the invite menu does not pop up, you can also create or join a custom room. So select that option if you aren't able to invite your friends, but as long as you select versus under private or you join a public room, you will be able to play versus your friend on Mortal Kombat 11. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mortal Kombat 2-player on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.